the coronavirus spread has surged all over again. Many state governments and union territories have declared a ban on the public celebration of the Holi festival. Holi festival marks the arrival of the spring harvest season in the country. On Wednesday, the center asked states and union territories to consider imposing local restrictions in public observance of the upcoming festivals and limit or do away with mass gatherings for effective control of the pandemic. Following are the states and union territories that have imposed restrictions on the public celebration of the Holi festival. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority on Tuesday ordered that there will be no public celebrations in the national capital during upcoming festivals such as Holi and Navratri. All authorities concerned will ensure that public celebrations and gatherings, congregations during upcoming festivals like Holi, Shab-e Barat, Navratri etc. shall not be allowed in public places / public grounds / public parks / markets / religious places etc. in NCT of Delhi, Chief Secretary Vijay Dev said in the order. People should celebrate Holi in a simple manner and crowding should be avoided, the state government said on Friday. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation (BMC) on Tuesday announced that Holi celebrations on March 28 and 29 will not be permitted in both private or public places. The civic body in a circular announced a ban on Holi celebrations in both private and public places. Uttar Pradesh has issued specific guidelines ahead of Holi celebrations, including no processions to be carried out without prior permission. According to the guidelines, people above 60 years of age, children below 10 years of age and people with comorbidities are not allowed to participate in any kind of celebration. Guests will have to undergo a COVID-19 test before entering a home ahead of Holi celebrations. Large crowds at public places will be disallowed and police will take appropriate steps regarding the matter. The Gujarat government on Wednesday issued a notification banning the public celebration of Holi and said the ritual of Holika Dahan can be observed in small gatherings. As per the notification issued by the Home Department, public celebrations and mass functions cannot be allowed on the day of Dhuleti on March 29 due to the prevailing pandemic. The state government of Bihar has issued an order asking people not to congregate at public places on the day of the Holi festival. The order issued by the Home Department also said that the minimum number of people will be allowed to gather at one place during Holika Dahan, the ritual performed on the eve of the Holi festival and Shab-e Barat. The Telangana government has decided not to allow public celebrations in the state during the coming religious events till April 30th. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, besides making it mandatory to wear face masks in public places. Days after banning public functions on the occasion of Holi and Shab-e Barat, the Rajasthan government has relaxed the ban and allowed holding them. The government, however, restricted the timing of holding public functions only between 4 p.m. and 10 p.m. on March 28 and 29. Ahead of festivals, the Jharkhand government has issued guidelines and prohibits celebrations of Holi, Shab-e Barat, Navratri, Ram Navami, and Easter at public places to curb the spread of COVID-19 in the state. The Karnataka government on Thursday issued an order not allowing public celebrations, gatherings or congregations during the coming festivals like Ugadi, Holi, Shab-e Barat and Good Friday following a spike in COVID-19 cases. The Meghalaya government on Thursday issued a new Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) for Holi celebrations amid the recent spike in COVID-19 cases wherein it banned public celebrations of the festival. The Haryana government on Wednesday banned public celebrations of the upcoming Holi festival in the wake of the rise in the number of coronavirus cases in recent weeks. During the past few days, Haryana has been reporting over 800 new cases daily.